that rattling is so bad. So today we're gonna get that fixed. As you can see, I got the Greddy EVO exhaust in the back, ready to be installed. So right now, currently, I believe it's just a single exit, straight pipe. It's like custom or something like that. I'm not a huge fan of. Okay, honestly, it doesn't sound that bad, but inside, am I getting too old for this? Like, it just drones so much, you know? I already have one super loud car. I don't need two super loud cars. So yeah, let's go do that. I'm excited. Oh, I don't know. I hope this sounds good, because I've only heard the thing with the exhaust, like doing exhaust research and finding clips, they don't always sound like, you can never tell what an exhaust will sound like in real life with that video with just a microphone. So I'm excited to see how this will do, and I'll give you my honest opinion. Wow, we'll see. I'm just talking, I'm just excited. Let's go head over to my friend's place. Okay, everything is set up for the install. Exhaust pliers, the exhaust. We'll jack it up, and hopefully nothing is seized. Okay, progress. I'm not trying to die, so I have wheels underneath there, and then jack stands, and then the jack under the diff. That should be enough space for me to get underneath there and take it off. Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, well, look at this, guys. No wonder why I have a rattle. Look, it's not even connected to anything. Oh my god. Are you serious? Yeah, no, yeah. Okay. Hold on a second here.
As you can see, he is stuck under the car.
I got it. So, Nick took off the bolts. I just took off the hanger. Look at this thing. It's just rusted ass. Look at this exhaust. It's so rusted. Oh man. Want to turn it on now? See how this sounds? Opens up. I feel bad. Okay. Gasket and bolt.
Do you need help?
Gasket. I got it. Okay. Oh, this is actually heavier than I thought. Oh, you know what? I think we put the
hanger on first?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Okay, well, that was a fail. We're gonna go to Home Depot to get smaller hardware, smaller bolts for the stock mid-pipe, because the stock mid-pipe holes are too small. That's weird. Okay, we're back. It's getting dark out, so I got the new hardware. Let's give this a try. Hopefully this will fit. If not, I'm kind of screwed. I don't want to drive home with like a huge exhaust leak, so let's hope this works. Okay, and it's done. It's on. I'm confident there's a leak at the mid-pipe, because I don't think there was no donut gasket or anything there. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a leak there, but we'll test it out anyways. All right. Okay, let's see how this sounds. It's quieter. we're back. It's been a week and there's an exhaust leak. I was right. There was an exhaust leak. It's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. It's so bad. I think the reason why is because there wasn't a donut gasket that came off the car, which doesn't make sense to me because that means there's leak all the time. Or I think my friend said he saw pieces of it, so it just exploded. So yeah, I gotta get that fixed. But the car's been sitting for a week. Let's get a cold start and see how it sounds. It's probably not gonna be the best, so bear with me. Also, I'm a little tired, so I apologize why I look like this. Yeah, that's pretty bad. You can definitely hear that exhaust leak. So I gotta go get that fixed. I gotta get a shop. It's so hard for me to work on cars in the winter here because one, it's really, really cold and I don't have much space in my garage. Yeah, it's hard for me to work on a car in the winter. It's so cold here. That's the thing, working on cars, nothing will ever go right. Or maybe it will. I'm just bad. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I got wheels, I gotta get some coils. I'm gonna make this thing look so nice. So, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, I'll see you in the next one.